My name is Munir Mohammed. I chair and founded the UK Pharmacogenetics Stratified Medicine Network. This is our 7th annual meeting, so welcome. I've just got a few slides just to introduce you to the network if you've never been associated with the network, and tell you what we've been doing over the last year, and then introduce you to the speakers. So clearly, these are worrying and challenging times, not only for the UK, but for the world. And we have taken advice about continuing to hold this conference. The advice may have been different next week, but at the moment, working with the Royal College of Physicians, we decided to go ahead. Obviously, safety is paramount, and so please do follow the advice of Chris Whitty, Patrick Vallance. No handshakes, elbow shakes, if you like. And there are some alcohol things out there, sort of downstairs. I honestly, I'm not one of the people who's been buying out the supermarket shelves of these things. But Nathan gave this to me, and he's outside, so you can blame him for disruption in the supermarket shelves. So, as I said, the network is about 10 years old, but this is our 7th annual meeting. It's been growing year on year in terms of membership, numbers of people. You can see that we have now about 1,200 people from all sectors. And the important thing about the network is to bring people together in the area of precision stratified medicine, really to network. We have industry represented, we have academia, clinical, but also patients are beginning to join. And over the last year, we've had increasing numbers of patients joining, which is really important. And we normally have a patient talk at this meeting. Unfortunately, this year, the patient is ill, so can't make it and so on. So we wish her well, and I hope she gets better soon. We've also got an increasing social media following on LinkedIn, Twitter. And importantly, although it's called the UK network, it is actually global, and we have a lot of people who are working with us outside of the UK, and the network is becoming increasingly known outside the UK. So we've been doing quite a lot of different things, and we often hold partnership workshops. This year we've held a workshop for Innovate UK, looking at imaging biomarkers and artificial intelligence, and that paper is being written up at the moment. We've held educational workshops as well, for example, with Health Education England on pharmacogenomics in the NHS, as the NHS prepares for implementation in the future for pharmacogenomics. And we held, most recently, a workshop with Genomics England looking at human knockouts and the potential for new drug discovery, which is a great workshop. The important thing about these workshops is that they're all recorded with consent of the speakers, and they are all available on our website for you to be able to view free of charge. Coming up after this annual meeting is that we've got a workshop with the British Pharmacological Society looking at pharmacogenomics from preclinical right through to late development phase and industry. And then very topical at the moment is polygenic risk scores, which is going to be on the 13th of May. And we've got a fantastic program for polygenic risk scores, and Christine outside will be able to give you the program if you're interested in attending. So our next meeting, we're planning for this already, and that's going to be here again on the 10th of March, 2021. So please put that in your diary for next year. We've got about 240 people registered for today. Obviously, the audience may be depleted because of events which are going on beyond our control, but we have got a fantastic program, so hopefully many people do turn up. So I want to thank our sponsors, plus our exhibitors. Our exhibitors are upstairs, where you can get coffee and tea and lunch. So please do go and visit the exhibitors as well while you're here. So thank you very much for attending. And our website is listed there, and if you've got any questions, comments, then please either contact Christine or Nathan, who are at the front desk, and they will be able to help you with any specific queries that you have.